spell token cost gauges for the years 2023, 2025, 2030, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. We here generally will give you the 10 years itemized cost expectations for especially spell sort of token in a quite enormous way. The spell genuinely token has in practically no time generally acquired sort of extraordinary consideration that crypto financial backers especially are interested in looking through the inquiries like is spell token a wise venture, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Is spell worth purchasing in 2023, which is very critical. What will commonly be the cost increment for year 2023, 2025, and 2030 in an unobtrusive way? How high can spell kind of token go, which explicitly is genuinely critical? Our aid will provide you with a thought of the spell especially token expected development and its cost expectation, all from profound specialized examination to essential past cost diagrams. Spell kind of token especially past value investigation. As per the most recent market information, today the cost of spell token is $0. Spell fundamentally is at present position number 186 in the sort of whole crypto market, which is very critical. The dissemination supply of spell is 90,153,943,916 with a market cap of $116,781,585 in absolute most recent 24 hours in an unobtrusive manner. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto has been somewhere near 0.09% in its ongoing cost esteem, or so they in every practical sense thought. Assuming that we truly look at the 24-hour market cap of the spell truly token with yesterday, you can see that the market cap is likewise in descending pattern in a very large way. Spell token in a real sense is as yet confronting a kind of difficult time jumping aboard with especially other crypto coins on the lookout. The spell is down to nearly 55.18% over the most recent 7 days in a significant manner. The coin is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining portions for past sort of couple of days. The coin could areas of strength for have yet, we don't in every practical sense imagine that it would a beneficial resource in present moment. Nonetheless, after the contrasting the especially current cost esteem and in every practical sense, recent days cost history, it sort of is seen that explicitly spell token has expanded 27.43% in its cost esteem, which is genuinely huge. The typical sort of least cost for the 1 month generally is $0 kind of most extreme normal cost was $0. This infers that this coin is a reasonable resource and another expansion to your arrangement of coins for long haul. The 90 days cost change generally is around 57.93% and the cost circled from a base typical worth of $0 pretty most extreme truly normal worth of $0 the by and large beyond 90 days. In all things considered, most recent 4 months sort of spell token sort of has shown a developing pattern, which in a real sense is very critical. Consequently, we believe that comparable pieces of the market fundamentally were very famous at that period, or so they thought, as indicated by the most recent information gathered. The exchanging volume of spell commonly token basically is expanded from 4 months, especially as opposed to mainstream thinking. The exchanging volume is a fundamental job in its cost. The coin truly is up by 49.05% with the most extreme typical cost of the coin was around $0. The base pretty typical cost of especially was around $0 beyond 4 months. Spell token value estimate for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2030 we anticipate future spell cost expectation. Spell token figures by applying profound extremely fake learning specialized investigation on the verifiable value information of generally spell exceptionally token. We certainly do our especially awesome to sort of gather greatest verifiable information for the spell coin which generally incorporate different elements like commonly past value, market cap, volume and significantly more incredibly. Assuming that you are hoping to put resources into digital money market, try to peruse our forecasts by and large. Spell pretty symbolic value expectation for 2023 as per our conjecture. In 2023 the cost of spell token is supposed to generally reach at least value level of $0. The spell cost can arrive at a greatest worth of $0, the typical exchanging cost of $0. Spell token value expectation for 2024 according to the conjecture cost and specialized examination. In 2024 the cost of spell token explicitly is anticipated to in every way that really matters, reach at any rate worth of $0. The spell cost can truly arrive at a most extreme degree of $0, the typical exchanging cost of $0 in unobtrusive manner. Spell token value conjecture 2025 to 2026 the cost of spell token is anticipated to reach at the very least degree of $0 2025. The spell genuinely token cost can arrive at a sort of greatest degree of $0, the typical cost of $0 through 2025. The cost of spell commonly token especially is in every practical sense anticipated to reach at an all things considered least degree of $0 2026. The spell truly token cost can explicitly arrive at a greatest degree of $0, the essentially normal cost of $0 through 2026. Spell value expectation for 2027 spell token cost truly is conjecture to in every practical sense arrive at a most minimal degree of $0 2027, truly in opposition to mainstream thinking. According to our discoveries, the spell cost could arrive at an essentially most extreme degree of $0, the typical conjecture cost of $0, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Spell value expectation for 2028 is per our specialized examination on verifiable value information of spell. In 2028, the cost of really spell commonly token is gauged to be at around a base worth of $0. The spell token value worth can generally arrive at a kind of limit of 1 cent with the sort of typical exchanging worth of $0 USD, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Spell in every practical sense. Token value expectation for 2029. The cost of one spell token truly is supposed to essentially reach at a sort of least degree of 1 cent in 2029. The spell cost can for the most part arrive at a greatest degree of 0.015 with the typical cost of 1 cent all through 2029 in an unpretentious manner. Spell sort of token value expectation. Estimate for 2030 according to the conjecture and profound specialized examination. In 2030, the cost of spell token is supposed to reach at a truly least value worth of 1 cent. The spell cost can arrive at an especially greatest value worth of 2 cents with the very normal worth of 1 cent, which truly is very huge. Spell pretty token value expectation for 2031. The cost of spell token for the most part is supposed to reach at least worth of 2 cents in 2031 in a truly significant manner. The spell token cost could arrive at a greatest worth of 3 cents with the kind of typical exchanging cost of 2 cents all through 2031. Spell token value expectation for 2032. Basically, spell token cost is conjecture to arrive at an especially the least conceivable degree of 3 cents in 2032. According to our discoveries, the spell cost could arrive at a greatest in every way that really matters conceivable degree of 4 cents with the genuinely normal gauge cost of 3 cents in a kind of huge manner. What is the spell token cost today? Today, the cost of essentially spell especially token is 0.001 with the market cap of 116,781,585.000. What will basically be the spell most elevated anticipated cost for 2023? The most noteworthy determined cost for generally spell is supposed to arrive at an in every practical sense greatest worth of $0 the finish of 2023. What will basically be the spell token practically the most elevated anticipated cost for 2024? How high can basically spell token go? The typical cost of in every practical sense. Spell could for the most part reach to $0 the current year's over. Assuming we gauge the 5-year cost, it explicitly is assessed that the coin will effectively especially come to the $0, or so they thought. How much will generally spell token be worth in 2030, or so they most certainly thought. As far as cost esteem, especially